Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and verify your KuCoin account in a very simple way. So firstly guys, you have to go over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and you have to type in KuCoin. And this is the app. So what you have to do now is for you to download the app to your phone, to install it to your phone, either you're using an iPhone and Android phone. So after doing that, it's going to download. So guys, before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. After you are done downloading the KuCoin app, and what you have to do is for you to open the app, and it will take you to this place which is saying KuCoin could like to send you notification. On this notification side, in case you want KuCoin to send you a notification, you have to do allowed. In case you don't want, you have to do don't allowed. So whatever one you choose is going to be okay. So I'm going to do not allowed. At this side, you're going to see this is the app. You're going to see sign up, okay, showing KuCoin could like to track activity across other companies app and website. So I'm going to do no, and you're going to see sign up and login. So you're going over to sign up, and at this sign up side is showing you email and phone number. So whatever you want to use there, either your email or your phone number, you can use it. But I'm going to type in my email. Yes, I'm going to type in my email address. So this is it. And after you're done with that, you have to do done. You're going to go over to create an account. Yes, at this account side, they're going to send you the message to your email account. So you're going to send a message and a pin, yes, a pin to your email, and it's loading. So security verification. So it will take some seconds. Okay, they've sent it, so you have to go over to your email. I'm going over to my email for me to copy the code which they sent to me, and this is the code. I just have to copy it here and take it to the KuCoin side. Yes, this is the place. So what you have to do next for you to paste it or type in the code there. So after doing that, they say set a password. So at this password, so I'm going to use a capital letter, a number, yes, number, a strong alphabet, the one you're going to remember. So you have to do that, and when you are done with that, what you have to do next for you to do confirm. Yes, you have to do confirm, and it will take you over to the next one. Okay, we are done with the set password, and over to the next one is create passkey. This passkey is PIN, password, or face ID or thumbprint for you to able to access your your KuCoin account. But in this one, I'm going to jump it. I'm not going to go into that one. I'm going over to identity verification. So in this identity verification, it's required for you to full range for you to choose your ID, your passport, your NIN, bank BVN. So that is what we're going to dive into now. And at this place, it's saying standard identity verification. So we're about to get started now. So what you have to do is for you to click that side which is showing. So the next step for you to take, for you to go over to get verified, to take us to the next step, which is start verification. And here you're showing issuing country and region. So you're going to choose the country where you are, where you're from, and it's already showing Nigeria. Yes, already showing Nigeria. So it's saying before taking pictures, okay, KuCoin could like to access the camera. You have to say yes, because you're going to take your pictures. You're going to take pictures of yourself or your passport or your ID. So you're going to say okay. Yes, and at the next side is showing select ID type, either your bank verification number, which is your BVN, is your national identification number. So I'm going to choose BVN. Yes, I'm going to choose BVN. And this, okay, take photo. We're going to do take photo, and it's loading. And the next one is okay for me to type in my BVN, country Nigeria, method, which is the BVN. So right now I'm typing my BVN. When you are done, you go over to continue, which is loading, and it's showing your data have been submitted successfully, which is nice. And position your face for you to take your picture. So right now I've taken the picture and it's processing, and it won't take long. Okay, it seems that network is slow, please wait. So okay, it's done. Yes, your face scan is complete and submitted. So I'm done with this. So what you have to do next for you to do done, and guys, you can see submit a verification in progress, check back in a bit. So you're going to check back, maybe let me just say some, I don't know, 2 minutes, 5 minutes or some second. Let me just do done for me to go back to my KuCoin homepage. Yes, let me go back to the KuCoin homepage. Let me do exist to check if the verification have been done. I'm going back to the home page right now, and this is it. It's like, okay, it has, okay, it's showing verified. Guys, you can see it's showing verified at the upside there, which means my KuCoin account has been verified. Guys, you can see it's very simple for you to do, very simple for you to create an account on KuCoin, and very simple for you to verify your KuCoin account, which you can use your BVN or your NIN or your passports, anyone you feel like using. And the app is working perfectly. Now you can able to do some transaction on KuCoin. You can trade anything you want to do here on KuCoin. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.